How to set a PIN for your Chime virtual card. In this video, I'm going to provide you specific steps for you to be able to set up your 4-digit PIN on your Chime virtual card. Now, the very first thing that you want to have to keep in mind first is if you're going to have to use a virtual card, it has actually a same PIN. So your virtual card shares the same PIN as your physical card, so there's no extra setup. But there are some specific stores that ask for a 4-digit PIN once you've accessed or used them. So it's very simple to set up. All you have to do is to go into your profile, tap on cards or manage cards, and then from the manage physical card option, right there, you just need to go into the virtual card and you should be able to change the 4-digit PIN. But take note, if you enter the wrong PIN 3 times in a row at a store or ATM, your card will be temporarily blocked to help you protect your account. And for you to be able to have it reset it back is to call this specific number that will be prompted on your screen or this number right here. And that is how you set a PIN for your Chime virtual card.